What's up, exhaust addicts? I just want to let you guys know that we are located at Discount Muffler and Custom Exhaust, 3560 Dickerson Pike, Nashville, Tennessee. You can give us a call anytime at 615-612-6244. Our hours of operation are 8:30 to 4:30, Monday through Friday, Central Time. Thank you for watching and enjoy the video.
2005 Mercedes-Benz CLK AMG 55, the 5.4 liter. Behemoth of a motor. Anyways, he brought it earlier in the year and we fixed a sleeve on it for him. There's converter there, another converter there, secondary converters there, resonator there, dual in, single out. And what we did, he wanted a little bit more sound out of it, so we ran him straight pipe muffler delete. He wanted to keep the AMG tips. As you guys can see, they have the AMG badge on top. So we made him a custom wide pipe for him right there. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. So it basically has a muffler delete on it. And here's the old muffler that was on it, the AMG muffler. Comes double out, single in. Weird shape too. It's not too much, just clean. That's perfect. Here's sound decibels again. 95. Again? That sounds really nice. You want to keep the old muffler?
I don't need it if you want it.
We throw them away. Again? That's perfect. Go ahead and back it up. There's the old muffler on it, right there. It's going to the scrap pile. Feel it out of this thing. It's a beast. That sounds so good. Got the AMG wheel. Old school to the max. Let you guys hear it on the inside.